All right, today we're going to be taking a look at the new Oracle LED laser fog lights for the Jeep Wrangler JL, JK, and Gladiator. These are super bright and project light an impressive 3,200 feet down the road with laser precise accuracy. These are really cool lights. They look awesome. Let's go ahead and take a look in the box and see what we got. Taking a look inside. So as you can see, this is a really innovative skeletonized design. It looks like nothing else out there because really it's like nothing else out there. These laser modules are super focused. So you're projecting light over 1 kilometer down the road, which is wild. This is really to be used in off-road driving where high speed and precision is critical. These lights come with a left and a right module. These will install into any JK, JL, or Gladiator bumper. If you have a steel bumper, you'll have to include the steel bumper mounting brackets along with this. We'll put a link in the description. Besides the fog lights, you've got also a set of modules to fit the 5202 bulb. The standard connection is a standard H10 or 9005 connection, or if you need to, we also include a universal connector that could be used to connect to other vehicles that maybe aren't a Jeep or other vehicle that require these types of connections. All right, so to find out more about this or other awesome products for your Jeep Wrangler, visit oraclelights.com. You can also find a dealer near you.